Gentlemen, what if I told you that the real reason you're feeling more tired, less confident in the bedroom, or lacking that old spark has less to do with aging, and more to do with what's on your breakfast plate? Because for many men over 60, the slow decline in intimate performance, blood flow, and energy is being driven by one thing you can change tomorrow morning: your first meal of the day. Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Wallace. I'm a board-certified urologist with over 25 years of experience helping men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s reclaim their health, performance, and confidence naturally. And today, I'm going to share with you the science-backed breakfast foods that can dramatically improve your circulation, support intimate performance, and help you feel more alive and energetic, without medications, risky supplements, or gimmicks. Now, here's what most men don't realize. Your blood flow, testosterone levels, and overall vitality are heavily influenced by your vascular health and the foods that support it. See, the same blood vessels that supply your brain and heart also feed your lower body. And the foods you eat in the morning can either open those vessels up or clog them down. The good news is, you can improve your circulation naturally through specific nutrients and foods that increase nitric oxide, reduce inflammation, and support healthy testosterone production. First on the list, beets. These are packed with natural nitrates which convert into nitric oxide in your body, a key molecule that relaxes and dilates blood vessels. In fact, a study from the University of Exeter showed that drinking beet juice significantly improved blood flow and endurance in men over 60. Try adding 4 to 6 Oz of beet juice to your morning routine, or include 1-2 cup of roasted beets with eggs or avocado. One of my patients, Carl, was skeptical, but after 3 weeks of adding beet juice to his breakfast, he told me, "Doc, I'm waking up with energy again, and my wife has noticed too." Next, steel-cut oats. Unlike instant oatmeal, steel-cut oats are a low-glycemic, high-fiber breakfast that help lower LDL cholesterol, which directly improves arterial health. They also support better insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for testosterone production and bedroom performance. Cook 1 tier 2 cup of steel-cut oats. Top it with a handful of blueberries and walnuts, and you've just built a morning meal that boosts blood flow and hormones. Now, let's talk avocados. Rich in monounsaturated fats, potassium, and vitamin B6, they support both heart health and testosterone levels. Vitamin B6 helps regulate cortisol, your stress hormone, and allows testosterone to rise naturally. Plus, the healthy fats in avocado support cellular health and blood vessel flexibility. Half an avocado on whole grain toast with a poached egg, that's a powerhouse start to your day. Pomegranate is often overlooked, but it's one of the best natural foods for improving erectile function and blood flow. A 2007 study published in the International Journal of Impotence Research found that daily pomegranate juice improved erectile function in 47% of men. Drink 4 Oz of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice in the morning, or add a handful of seeds to your oatmeal. Mike had tried prescriptions with side effects. When we switched to a blood flow-focused breakfast including pomegranate and oats, he came back 6 weeks later smiling. "It's working better than the pills, and I feel good all day long." Finally, let's not forget spinach or kale. These are high in nitrates, magnesium, and antioxidants, all of which support circulatory health, nitric oxide, and libido. Magnesium also helps lower cortisol and improve sleep, another huge factor in testosterone health. Add a handful of spinach to your eggs, or blend it into a morning smoothie with banana, unsweetened almond milk, and flax seeds. Over the years, I've watched countless men who thought their best years were behind them reclaim their vitality, performance, and confidence with changes as simple as a better breakfast. It's not about chasing youth, It's about waking up every day feeling alive, strong, and connected to the people you love. You deserve that, no matter your age. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, make this one change. Swap your usual breakfast for a plate that includes at least 2 of these 5 foods: beets, oats, avocado, pomegranate, and leafy greens. You don't have to overhaul your entire life. Just start your day with foods that open your arteries, fuel your hormones, and support the man you still are and can be. If this helped you, consider subscribing. I post new videos every week focused on real, natural men's health solutions, backed by science and experience. And leave a comment. What part of your vitality do you want to reclaim? And what will you try first? Tweedotidi wendena de ko arumbaki in my man, but see McCord and see in a theory cowra eating